Hi, Mama. On your 65th birthday, I wish you a long, happy, and healthy life. On this special day, I feel blessed to be with you in Delhi to celebrate. One thing which I haven't told you before, you are the anchor of our family. Whenever we have been hit by a storm, you have always provided your guidance and support. Thank you for all your love and guidance to help us sail through. I couldn't have asked anything more from God to have you as my mother. Now, without a further ado, let's go and watch videos which have been shared by our loved ones. Thank you.
A very, very happy birthday to my darling Suman. May God bless you with happiness and healthy life.
हॅलो पाश्चात्वा वाढदिवसच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आम्ही तुमच्या आरोग्यासाठी, आनंदाची आणि भरपूर प्रेमाची इच्छा करतो. अ व्हेरी हॅपी 65th birthday to you. From the Maratha land to the Punjabi clan, these 3 beautiful years have been even more beautiful with your blessings on both of us. And I wish you all the very best for whatever that is coming, for all the beautiful adventures that are there to see. I know we are living in difficult times, but one thing which is commendable, which I've never said before, is that you are such a strong lady of conviction. You have been there with us, protecting the whole family, and even going through some of the most difficult moments, but still ensuring that we are there and we are all protected and loved and cared for. I think that's a very strong support that you give us, especially in our professional lives that we lead, and personally the kind of touch and warmth that you bring to the relationships is something that I and Sushant look up to you for. And we know that you forget about the age factor, but we know that you will always be able to ace up any new technology. You will always find ways and solutions to problems, and that is something which is very commendable and something that we don't generally see across, when we see in our friends or family. So something that everybody needs to learn immensely from you. Hats off, and I'm very, very proud to be your daughter. And it's indeed always a privilege to be around you and to talk to you, and looking forward to many more such milestones together, many more birthdays, many more happy moments, many more loving and embracing moments with us as a unit. Love you. Happy birthday once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी. वी होप यू हैव अ लवली डे. ये कोरोना वरोना खत्म होए, उसके बाद आपकी बहुत सारी पार्टीज पेंडिंग है. वी होप एवरीथिंग इज ओके. वी मिस यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. बाय.
Today is your special day. You have reached an impressive milestone of 65 years. When I think back, I can remember the day you came into our family. You have given each one of us your love, concern, and above all, your complete care for Sunil. We all are undoubtedly obliged for your selfless and loving emotions. You are a rock support for both of us. On top of that, your 2 lovely children have achieved so much for the Kapoor Khandan. So once again, an exclusive celebration for your special birthday today. Lots of love and blessings. Happy birthday, Sunil.
Happy birthday you. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Suman. Happy birthday to you. Bless.
हेलो बुआ जी, कैसे हो? सब ठीक ठाक? दांशु आपको एक मैसेज देना चाहता है.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बुआ जी, आई लव यू.
पापा भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं.
सुमन, हैप्पी बर्थडे. खुश रहो.
मम्मा भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं.
हेलो सुमन दीदी, क्या हाल है? हैप्पी बर्थडे. परमात्मा आपकी लंबी उम्र करे, खुशियाँ मनाते रहो, सुखी रहो. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
ज्योति भी कुछ कहना चाहती है.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बुआ जी, कैसे हो आप? भगवान आपको लंबी उम्र दे, तंदुरुस्त रहो और आपके परिवार में हमेशा खुशियाँ बनी रहें।
और अब हम सारे आपको कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਨਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਭਾਬੀ ਜੀ ਦਾ 65th ਬਰਥਡੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਸੋ ਡਿਲਾਈਟਡ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਭਾਬੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੇ ਔਰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਵਰਸਾਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਵਰਸਾਉਂਦੇ ਆਏ ਹੈ। ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੱਚ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਓਬਲਾਈਜ਼ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਮਨਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਸਾਲ ਜੀਓ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਔਰ ਬਾਬਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਮਾਣੇ ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਦੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਰਹੋ ਔਰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਵਰਸਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू भाभी जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू भाभी जी। ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Suman Mami. Wishing you lots of happiness on May 7th. It's your 65th birthday, and I wanted to wish you lots of love and lots of happiness, and hope you have a great day and many more to follow. Bye.
Happy birthday Suman Mami. I wanted to wish you a very happy 65th birthday. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Enjoy.
A very special 65th birthday to you Suman Mami. चलो मैं आ तो नहीं सकी इस बारी, प्लान तो मेरा यही था, but at least you will be able to spend it with Sushant and Nidhi, which makes me very happy. I also wanted to say that you have a very helpful and supportive nature, and I pray to God that He gives you the strength to continue to do that. So all the very best Suman Mami, and have a great day.
A very happy birthday to you, a special one, 65th. You stay healthy and happy. Especially I'm very happy that Sushant and Nidhi are there with you to celebrate it, and I believe you will enjoy with all of them the 65th birthday. Many happy returns.
इस साल का जन्मदिन स्पेशल है सुमन, याद रहेगा सालों तक। मिल बैठकर मना सकेंगे जाने कब, दुआएं बेचकर तो खुशियां ला सकते हैं सब। वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सुमन।
A very happy 65th birthday Suman. Wishing you good health and happiness in the years to come. Remain blessed. Love you.
Happy birthday to the flower.
You mean Suman?
Of the Kapoor family, whose fragrance has spread far and wide. As you now enter a new phase of your life, you're turning 65, I believe. I hope and wish that your life and path is full of sunshine and flowers each day, every day.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਦੇ ਵੜੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਨਾ, but Suman Bhabhi, we love your cooking, especially the chole bhature and the most delicious halwa.
So here's to an exceptional cook, a loving bhabhi, a dutiful wife and a daughter-in-law, a great mother and a mother-in-law, and a very loving friend. Happiest birthday,
Suman Bhabhi.
हाय सुमन, आपके 65th बर्थडे के लिए हमने एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी है। फूलों ने कहा खुशबू से,
खुशबू ने कहा बादल से,
बादल ने कहा लहरों से,
लहरों ने कहा सूरज से,
और बाद में हमने कहा आपको दिल से।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सुमन। गॉड ब्लेस।
Many happy returns of the days, dearest Suman. So glad that Sushant made it possible for us to be in touch with you. Stay blessed and happy. Enjoy life and wish you all the best. Love you all.
I, Suman Bhabhi, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Lots and lots of good health, happiness, good wishes, love.